In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know your OneDrive storage in this complete 2025 guide. Whether you're managing personal files or handling business documents, understanding how much storage you have left on OneDrive is crucial. This guide will walk you through accessing your OneDrive storage details so you can keep track of how much space you're using and plan accordingly. First, let's get started by signing in. Head over to OneDrive.com if you're using a personal account, or access Office.com if you're on a business account. If you're using Office.com, navigate yourself over to OneDrive from there. Once you're on the appropriate site, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed with these steps. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to open your storage settings. Take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the settings icon, which appears as a small gear. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Options. After that, select Storage to proceed. This action will guide you into the area where all details about your storage will be showcased. Now that you've navigated to the storage settings page, it's time to view your storage details. Once you're in the storage section, you will see a comprehensive summary of your storage statistics. Here's what you'll typically find displayed. Firstly, the total storage available. This tells you just how much capacity your OneDrive account holds. Next, you can check the used space, which displays how much of that total space you've already utilized. Interestingly, this is often shown in both gigabytes and as a percentage of your total storage, making it easy and intuitive to measure, especially if you're closely managing your storage. Lastly, OneDrive provides a neat breakdown by file type and folders. This is particularly helpful if you're trying to pinpoint which types of files are consuming the most space. For example, you might notice that large video files or extensive photo archives are using up more room, and if necessary, you can take steps to archive or delete those files to free up space. By keeping an eye on these details regularly, you ensure that you don't run into storage issues unexpectedly. This knowledge empowers you to keep your digital workspace organized and efficient. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed way to fully understand and monitor your OneDrive storage. This approach will undoubtedly aid you in maintaining your digital hygiene, allowing you more peace of mind when managing your important files and documents. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.